Hi friends, this is Sai Fanindra from SQL School and I'm the trainer for Azure Data Engineering job-oriented program with AI, Artificial Intelligence. In this Azure Data Engineering, I'll be explaining you practically every concept with all my 19 years of dedication and experience in this technology. This Azure Data Engineer, one of the trending technology and most highly paid job profile, always in demand now and worldwide. This data engineering course involves mainly various data source extraction activities to data warehouse data loads. That includes ETL process, extract, transform, load. We actually extract data from various sources like OLTP, online transaction processing databases, files, structured, unstructured files, and various apps, web applications, and desktop apps. We read data from various sources, filter, transform, and load them into data warehouse. This is a main activity as a data engineer. In our classes, I'll assure you 100% step-by-step technical trainings on this ETL process with real-time project implementations. Our data engineer job role includes big data, cloud computing, ETL activities, data warehouse, and more. In our data engineering components course, I'll be teaching you practically Azure SQL, Azure ETL and Azure Data Warehouse, Azure Data Factory, Synapse, Databricks, Data Lake, IoT, Event Hubs, Key Vaults, and Stream Analytics. I'll be practically teaching you Azure Insights, metrics, logic apps, functions, purview, and Power BI integrations with end-to-end project integrations. Additionally, I'll be teaching you with complete practical hands-on on AI, artificial intelligence components, Spark, Hive, Python, ETL, PySpark components. We'll be discussing practically Scala, Unity Catalog, ETL, ELT, and automations with AI integrations on Unity Catalog. We'll be practically learning pipelines, notebooks, CI/CD integrations, Git configurations, concept-wise FAQs, and resume guidance for your job profile. We'll be taking all these items practically step by step. And for your resume, we may need certification, and our course is there to guide you for that. So these are the main components you see on my screen, part of our classes. Right from Data Factory, Databricks, Synapse to Data Lake, to Spark, Python, ETL, PySpark, Spark SQL, Scala, and CI/CD components with ETL, warehouse, big data analytics exclusively in cloud with AI components. The complete keyword checklist you see on my screen, every item on the screen, we will be learning practically step by step. Let's have a live demo session. Let's understand more about the real-world applications of data engineering in big data projects, healthcare, finance sector, and more. Let's understand more about our resume plan for starters as well as for experienced profiles. I'll be walking you through all the important Azure Data Engineer components and the process, step-by-step process of mastering it. And you have two options. Option one, go for MS SQL first, then Azure Data Engineer next. Option two, if you're already aware of this MS SQL 1 to 30 chapters, you can directly go for Azure Data Engineer. Choice is yours. And the recommended prerequisites you see on my screen. So why choose me? Yes, I assure you interactive classes, everyday handout information, weekly feedbacks and FAQs concept-wise, real-time projects with resume, mock interviews, and digital examples, and lot of activities pertaining to our resume and mock interviews. I am into exclusively data SQL AI components and over 19 years of continued trust. I assure you practical step-by-step classes of this lengthy program. Let's meet live for a demo class. Choose your best for your next job. I assure you 100% practical, real-time projects with one-to-one resume and job assistance. See you there in the live demo class. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you. Take care.